Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video of Sketchup Pro. So in this lecture, I'm just going to show you that how we'll use the rotate option, rotate tools perfectly. Okay, actually you know that if you hear, then I know that you know about that how to use rotate option. Okay, but here I'm just showing you that how we'll use perfectly that rotate option and in maximum way. Okay, how can we utilize that? So let's start. And before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you new to our channel and also if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. So actually here is the here two model, so I'll use just first model here. So actually this is the model. Okay, consider that this is a shape of a watch. So here now what I'll do, I need to move that, I need to rotate that option perfectly. So what I'll do, actually I'll just simply select that one. Okay, then I'll just come here, the rotate, and first of all I'll select first point from here, first point. And now if you need to move that line, that what will do, actually you can use array option. Just see here, by using array option you are able to move that down array, then left array, right array, so like that. Okay, so you are able to use that array option perfectly. So after that I'm just from here, I'm just selecting by using the up arrow from here. Okay, this is the top middle, and I'll just go and I'll select that option at middle here. Okay, when it's okay, now I'll just move. Okay, when I'll just move, then see that that line are rotating. Okay, that line are rotating. So actually this is the way to rotate. At which direction you want to rotate, you are able to do that. So actually this is one of the way. Okay, so and another is, suppose you need to rotate that in that direction. So what I will do, I'll just simply click here. Okay, and from here I'll just click left array, and from here I'll just select that, and if I rotate, okay, just see here it's moving, okay, as per my required direction. So actually in this way we can do that. So when it's done, now we'll go for our next one. Okay, we'll go for our next one. So I'm just clicking here. Now if I come here, okay, if I come here, suppose this is a house. So I'll just first of all I'll select them and I'll make them a group. Okay, so when here, after that I'll just come here, select that rotate option. Now what I will do, suppose here you need to rotate that with respect to that point. Okay, so if you take your mouse here, then it will be difficult to find out the exact direction. So what I will do, actually take your mouse here, and after that use your array button from your keyboard. So if I use array button here, and with respect to that that point, if I want to move, just see here our house will move in that direction, right, in that direction. So I'm just skipping. After that again I'm taking mouse here, and if I use left array, then it will go in red direction. So with respect to that point, if I go, just see it's moving in that direction. Okay, then I will again use skip, and after that if I come here and if I use the bottom, okay, if I use bottom and with respect to that point, just see it will move in that direction. Okay, so actually this is the way, this is the best way to use our software, and this is the best way to use our that rotating tool, right? And I'm just skipping, and in our next lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll use our that tap measure tool perfectly. Okay, so before starting advanced work of SketchUp, I'm just showing you in every video about one tools, and I'm just showing you, I'm just trying to show that how we'll do that perfectly, and how you can utilize the tools perfectly for your every project. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.